Hello everyone, this is Nasreen, and today I'm going to create an app using a powerful AI tool called Cursor. So before starting,
everyone, you need to make sure that you have both Cursor and Node.js installed in your laptop or in your PC.
So for me, I'm going to create a really simple app for study habits and progress tracker. Once you create an empty folder, you need to drag and drop your folder here. Today I prefer to create a mobile application.
Like, you can actually create anything you want. If you want to create a website, a mobile app, a web application,
you can easily create it here in this powerful AI tool. Drag and drop your folder here once you finish. So in order to copy the command, I need to go to expo.dev. So this one, npx create expo app latest. So paste it here, the terminal.
You can open the terminal from here, or you can simply new terminal. Here we go.
And paste the command you just copied here.
It's going to create the most necessary dependencies here for the app. So Expo is a powerful framework to create React Native apps like much easier and faster.
Here we go. You say yes. Is your app named?
Study Habit Tracker. Study Habit Tracker.
Alright, so now the dependencies are installed and the project is set. And the most important thing when creating an app using this AI tool Cursor, you need to give it the right prompts and give it the right demands in order to create a successful project. So what we need to do is go into this notepad and create thing like demands. Here we are going to paste the structure of the app. Okay, now the easiest thing we can do is going to ChatGPT or an AI tool, and it's going to give us the necessary demands, which are the requirements of this app. So instead of spending a lot of time writing these requirements and these demands for your application, you can just go to ChatGPT and explain your application. It's going to give you a structured form in order to paste it in Cursor. To be honest, I don't want it like this. I want it in just in one form. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here in the demands. This is one of the most important things when you are creating an application using an AI tool. And you need to go here in order to create the rules. I decided to name it something related to prompts. I really like this prompt form. I'm going to copy it, and as I told you, prompt Cursor, find it. So I paste it here. So now once we have created our application using Expo, and we created the prompt file, and we created the demands, which are the requirements inside the notepads, the most important thing in this AI tool, which is talking with the AI chat, we need to click here. So here where we are going to talk with the AI. So we are going to refer to the prompts, the code base, the demands, and we are going to tell the AI what to build and what to remove. So we can here refer to the code base. So the code base is the application we built using the Expo. We are going to refer also to the prompts. Here we go. All right, what else? We are going to so once we refer to these three important things, we can start telling the AI what to build. Here we go. I already referred to the demands and the prompts here. If that's enough, hit submit. So here they told me that you seem to be using an outdated version of Cursor, so please upgrade to the latest version by downloading Cursor again from our website. All your settings will be preserved. Here I explained to the AI that I have already created the foundation of the application using Expo. I don't want this AI to repeat what I have already did. I wanted to follow the instructions properly. You just click here, send. Okay, so I'm going to choose auto for now. Okay, he said that he's scanning for the prompts cursor, the file where I gave it the prompt. So this is really good. If you see here, he is analyzing and fixing the errors, not only building the application. And this is so good so far. He's updating the app configuration. And he's doing all of this work, front end, back end, and fixing the errors. And this is only by using the free version. So he is telling me to install these dependencies. So I will just click here to run. Yes, I will accept this command. I will click here run in order to install these dependencies. I will now skip this for now. And I'm going to run npm start. Here we go. So we are going to have the QR code, and you are going to scan the code from the application. To access the application from the browser, you need just to click here, click on Control and left click in the mouse. Here we go, guys. This is what we get so far. I'm going to test the application. Let me try it. Add. Here we go. We have our first habit for today. Let me try to test this button. Mark. And we have the color changed. And this is the color I actually wanted. I wanted black with purple. This is really good so far. Let me try to test the settings. Here we go. We have you can turn on and turn off the notification. Yes, this is not working. I'm going to fix it in the AI chat. Explore. Okay, no problem. Let me go back to the home. We have, as I told you, the habits. You can create habits. I'm going to type study history. For example, I'm going to try this. let me click here. So we have our second habit. You can mark it from here. Done. You can remove it and you can mark it. So if you notice here, when I'm clicking here mark, the number of the streak is increasing. The statistics are just stuck here in 72%. We need to fix this. I will tell the AI to fix this button also because it's not working. Let me go back to cursor. I'm going to scan this QR code. I want to test the application in my mobile phone. I'm going to try my best in order to include every single problem in this app in one prompt. I don't see the necessary icons in the navigation. I'm going to tell him that I cannot switch between the light mode and dark mode. So I'm going to tell the AI to fix the responsiveness. Here we go. I told him that I see that the button navigation doesn't have all the icons. Add the necessary icons for each button. Habits, stats, settings, explore. I also see that I cannot switch between the dark mode and light mode. I see that the statistics are always 72, so fix it as well. Here we go, and click send. So as you see guys, we have now the icons. Let me see. So the AI told me to run something. I clicked run. I'm going to, so the AI, if you see here that the AI is telling me to navigate to my project directory, and it's telling me to run npm run length. So I'm going to click run. So here the AI is telling me that everything is successfully implemented. This is all the requested improvements. The navigation icons, the dark and light mode switching, dynamic statistics, responsive design, and he did some additional improvements, and he's telling me that everything is ready to test. To click here keep all in my phone, and if everything looks so big like this, we need to tell the AI to fix the responsiveness again. The AI successfully added the necessary icons, made the input and the button too big. But here I see only the navigation that changes. I'm going to explain to the AI what to fix. I see that click send. Okay, here we go. So if you see here that the AI is doing a really good job. Here we go. I see some changes here in the browser. All right, this is really good. This is in the light mode. Here we go. I see that, and we have here an issue. Theme is not defined. So I'm going to tell the AI. I'm going to
expect that the statistics are going to count the habits, but it is not doing so. So I'm going to tell the AI that I want, when I create some habits, I want it to be counted in the statistics.
Good so far. We only have this problem that the statistics are not working. I am going to wait for the AI to finish in order to test the app. So I'm going to skip this. I want to test it by on my own. Said that I have successfully fixed both the responsiveness issues and the theme switching functionality. Here is a summary of what I have implemented. He fixed the responsiveness issues, input and button sizing. Okay, he fixed the screen, the habits screen. Okay, and trying to refresh. I have an error here. I'm going to copy and go to cursor in order to fix it. We paste the error here in order to fix it. Okay, I will tell the AI fix this error. Here we go. This is the update so far. I'm going to read some of them. npm start, so he's telling me that I can start running my application. So I'm going to refresh it. If it didn't work, I'm going to turn off the server and turn it on again. So I'm going to click here Ctrl C in order to stop the server, and I'm going to run npm start again. I'm going to the localhost. Here we have another issue. I'm going to copy and paste it to cursor in order to fix it. Fix this error. I will click here keep all, refresh again. Here we go. I see that the button is too big. The important thing is to test the application in the mobile version. Here we go. This is our application. Let me go to the habits section to create a habit. Study history. Here we go. Click add habit. Click mark. Let me take a look here in the stats. You see here when I click done, the number of the streak is increasing. So I expect that when I see that this is also increasing, but I see here that numbers, all the numbers are set to 0. So this section is not working. The statistics are not working. I'm going to the AI to tell him that to fix this section, and I'm going to keep this page like this. For the light and dark mode, you see that the light mode is working properly. So I see that everything is working properly, but the stats, just the stats is not working. I'm going to tell the AI to fix it. I'm going to turn off the server and to turn it on again. And the most important thing in this app is our habits section and the statistics section. So I want into the AI to tell him what is the problem with my application right now. Send. So the AI is doing a really good job. So he's fixing the issues and he is explaining what he is doing. So now I know what exactly the AI is doing in my application. To click keep all. I'm going to test the browser version, and then I'm going to test the mobile version. Here we go. I'm going to create a habit. Alright, I'm going to tell the AI to count my habits. The problem is that the statistics screen is not properly refreshing when habits are added or modified. So, we finished now. So click here, keep all. Go to your browser or go to your phone and test the application. Here we go, get started. Go to your habits, create a new one. Study, add, and then click mark 1 day. So we have streak 1 days. Here we go, go here. So another problem I see that when I refresh the application, all our habits are gone. So I don't want this. I want to keep the habits and to count it in the statistics section. See that everything is 0 right now, so there is something wrong here. I have here my habit and I can mark it as done. When I go to the stats, I don't see anything. I see all the numbers are 0 and my habits, it didn't count. So I'm going to tell the AI to fix this error. And I see also when I refresh my application, I see that my habits are gone. I want my habits to be stored. So I'm going to the AI and explain my issues. Let me check the storage implementation. So he fixed the storage implementation. To download this package, so I'm going to click run. Keep in mind that every dependencies and packages are really important in order for the application to work properly. Accept all the files. I will accept all the changes. And I'm going to run npm start. Here we go. Let's try to the most important thing in this app, which is creating the habits. Let me create something. Study history and click in add. Let's mark it as done, which is the statistics. Okay, so now it's working. You see we have one habit, one streak, active habits 100%. It looks so good so far. So now the most important thing is that when I create a habit and click in mark as done with the statistics, and it's being counted correctly. So I see here 2 habits, 2 total streaks. So when I refresh, the habits are still here. So everything is working so well. When I refresh the statistics, I see that they are here. So everything is working so well. The light mode, the dark mode, and yeah, this is it. It looks so modern, and it has really beautiful colors. I like something simple like this. I like something that which is easy to navigate, so we don't have a lot of writings in the application. We don't have a lot of buttons and extra things. We have only what we need. So the last thing I need to do, if you want to add, but I think this is really important, to add a button where you can delete the habit. So also I'm going to tell the AI to fix the buttons in the browser version. So they told me that I have had the usage limits. And the AI did a really good job. So we can create our habits and we can our progress here in this dashboard. So this is so good, and we can switch between the light mode and the dark mode. This is so good so far.
And this is a really powerful AI tool that helps you to build a really structured and really good applications.
And npm start. Open the app in your phone and scan this QR code using Expo Go application. Click here in scan QR code. The QR code is scanned. Here we go. This is our application. Get started. Let's go to the habits. We have here a habit. Go to the stats. Here we go. We see here that our statistics section is working. I will leave this section like this because I don't need it. For the settings, you see here that we can switch easily between the dark mode and the light mode. Here we go, our application looks amazing. You may notice that we have some problem with the responsiveness, especially with the top section of the application. This is normal. I believe that this is due to because we are in the development mode.
So guys, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and follow me on my social media platforms, and make sure to turn on the notification in order to see my next videos.
Take care.